all socialism involves slavery, meaning socialism also cannot necessarily be considered to be a political philosophy or ideology that's always good, productive, healthy, progressive, authentic, virtuous in itself or for everyone in the world. And certainly in the socialistic state of society, there is so much control, repression, dominance, exploitation, manipulation involved that no one will ever be able to break free or break away from anything that they have been taught and trained to become. And whatever is imposed upon them, it's forever is going to be with them to the point that it gets bitter, and to the very end and to the death of their lives they are going to have to live under socialism, and the socialist state and the society of repression is going to be with them forever. So it's not just the modern democracy that's corrupt, bad, and that promotes injustice, inequality, unfairness at every step of the way, alongside the capitalistic takeover, and that it involves repression, but socialism also involves greater and worse repression, control, dominance, slavery over everyone in one way or another, and only the socialistic people are going to be able to explain and experience this pain that they experience at every step. They're only the people that live inside of the state or the society of socialism will be able to actually properly understand and actualize and express that kind of pain, torment, suffering, struggle that they undertake and experience constantly in their actions, behaviors, lives, ideologies, purposes, ambitions, successes in one way or another. And that means socialism involves a great deal of establishment of torture, control, slavery all the time over the people that live inside of that kind of state. And that means both democracy and socialism and obviously capitalism involve their own weaknesses, demerits, disadvantages, dangers, and evils in one way or another that just cannot be refused, overlooked, or denied by anyone in the world, because depending upon the kind of society and the kind of government we live under or we're exposed to, we have to be able to know not just our weaknesses, problems, talents, merits, but we have to be able to understand and recognize our powers, leaders, and governments' weaknesses and dangers also, and then only we're going to be able to approach almost everything inside of our particular distinctive state with absolute clarity, accuracy, property, substance, significance, authenticity, virtue, courage, bravery, mind, etc., and shatter socialism forever. So obviously socialism involves slavery, but then again democracy involves indirect slavery, control,